In this video, we'll be doing a full tour and review of the AC Tarragona by Marriott. We'll show you the room, the breakfast, the bar, as well as the smallest parking lot we've ever parked in. We are Savor in Style. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos. The hotel is a mid-sized hotel located walking distance from pretty much all of the sightseeing points that you'd like to see, the amphitheater as well as the beach. Really nice, clean property. We enjoyed our stay there. We just stayed one night before a cruise that we went on. I will show you the parking garage at the end, and that is something to really take into account because we did have a car, and I had read many reviews about the size of the parking garage, and let me tell you, they were not joking around. It is really small. But back to the hotel. They do have a small business center right off of the entryway. They were lovely. They actually gave us an upgraded room as well. So we got a nice view, which I will show you in the room tour. It's got a nice lobby as well, lobby bar. There was never really anybody in there. It was just my husband and I. They actually had like a little doorbell that you had to ding so that somebody could come and help you. It was never busy. It was kind of funny. But it is a well-appointed bar, and we had a couple nice drinks there. They do have food as well, and they have breakfast in the morning. A couple different seating areas that you can take advantage of. It was actually really comfy, clean, like I said. Just surprised there was nobody around, but there's so much around the hotel. Tons of restaurants, bars, cafes. It looked like really just mostly a business hotel, so it's not really the gathering spot per se. But still very comfortable, and had no complaints on that. Room tour, yeah, we did get upgraded. It was just a queen suite. You'd have to put your key card in to get the lights to work, of course, and you got your master light there coming in, and very comfortable bathroom. Pretty standard, exactly what you would be hoping it would be. Got the single sink, as well as you've got your This Works lotion and hand soap, and you've got your hair dryer right there on the wall, and you've got a couple of amenities should you've forgotten your toothbrush or shower cap. Those pretty standard amenities as well. And of course you've got your towels, and it is a shower tub combo, so it is not a walk-in shower. It's not a rain shower head as well. It is adjustable height though, and great water pressure. Pretty standard again. I wouldn't say it was anything that stood out, but very comfortable and just what we needed for a quick stay over. And then you've got your toilet as well as your bidet, as would be expected in most hotels in Spain. The hotel room itself, again, very comfortable, nice large TV, and a good sized bed, comfortable linens, and you've got your closet here on the right where you've got your safe and a handful of hangers, plenty of room to hang anything that you would want or stow away. It's got two sides to it, of course. Pretty much exactly what you would hope for in an AC hotel. You do have laundry service. Should you ask for it, you can put your stuff in there and let them know. We did have a couple of waters left for us next to the bed, and there is a room service menu there with a QR code. There is a European plug there to the right of the bed, as well as the lights and a reading light. You got 4 pillows total on the bed, as well as the duvet, and you've got your mini bar there, espresso machine, and it is at a cost, of course. You've got a handful of beers in there and some juices and waters. Like I said, there were 2 waters that were on either side of the bed, but the other ones were part of the mini bar, which was, exactly, adequate as well. There's a plug there in the corner, little table and chairs. You can have your room service. They did leave us a couple of welcome chocolates, which was a nice touch. We always appreciate that. And then on the other side of the bed, you've also got your reading light and your lights, and you do have a USB plug on this side of the bed. And again, a reading light there, and looking over at our wonderful view we're going to get to in just a second, but there is a plug there. You've got 2 plugs, outlets there that are both European outlets. And we did have a nice view. Like I said, it was actually quite lovely, and it was a beautiful day. This was in May that I took this video. We did use points to stay here. Very economical to stay at this hotel for points. I think it was like 17,000 points for the night, which is very cheap for most Marriotts, especially if you're looking at Barcelona. So that's one of the reasons that we stayed there, as opposed to going all the way into Barcelona. And the parking, was on site. And we did breakfast buffet, really ample supply actually. Fresh fruit, tons of fresh fruit. You've got your yogurts, all the toppings that you would want. You got your granola, your muesli, several different kinds of milks, juices, water, still water, sparkling. They even had some infused water. Um, Tons of, yeah, like little cereals. I mean, really kind of everything you could like pick and choose at. Fresh bananas as well. They do have hot items, but they were not to order. You do have your selection, of course, jamon and your cheeses. They did have hard-boiled eggs, which I always appreciate. And you've got your tortilla de patatas there, and you've got your little toppings, all your salts and peppers and jellies and marmalades. Nice ample bread selection, and of course you got your toaster, and you've got your tomatoes and everything for your tostada for the morning. They did have hot bacon, which I thought was quite underdone, as you can see here, which below was a little bit crispier. It's not American style bacon, though, definitely more European and Spanish style. And you've got some sausages, there were some eggs and mushrooms, and that was the extent of the hot items. Again, here's just the seating area. Come and go as you please. Our breakfast was included, being platinum members, but you could pay for it, obviously, at your will. There was a self-serve Nespresso machine, several different flavors there for you. And you've got your teas here, which I really did appreciate. They have the Harney and Sons brand tea, which is actually one of my favorite brands. I was really happy to see that, and they had a very nice selection. So that was a real treat on that. And then you got your little extra hot chocolate and stuff there for you. And the gym, nice sized gym actually, especially for a small hotel. A handful of weights, couple of machines. Can't complain. Nice little size there. Didn't use it, but it's there for you if you'd like. And now looking at the parking garage, here it is, and I'm not kidding you. I read the reviews how small it was, and we thought, "Oh, come on, who are you kidding?" We have a Seat Leon, which is basically like a Volkswagen Golf. We thought, "Oh, we're gonna have no problem." Well, we got there was no cars, so no problem parking. But getting out, literally, it took us probably like a 20-point turn to get out, and my husband would not have been able to get out had I not been directing him, just to let you know. We did enjoy the hotel, but we would not stay there again just because of the parking, personally. But if you don't have a car, great location, great staff, great service. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope to see you again soon. Thanks so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe.